Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Instagram not selecting more than 10 photos. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your app store and then make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So just search for Instagram and you have to update your app. Another thing that you can do is to go to your settings and then go to general and then you have to go to your storage. After that, find the Instagram and then you click the offload app, and then after that you need to reinstall your app. And then after doing all those things, you need to try it now to your Instagram, and as you can see, we can now select more than 10 photos in our Instagram. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you. If it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.